To create a seating chart in Infinite Campus, navigate to Instruction, and under the Classroom Administration menu, click on Seating Charts. If you have seating charts that are previously created, you will see a list of classes here. If not, click New. Here you will see a list of all of the classes that you're currently teaching. At the top of the list, you will see sections listed individually. If two classes are actually co-seated together, or for example in a co-taught class where two classes meet at the exact same time, you will notice at the bottom of your list you'll see those class sections listed together. If you're creating a seating chart for one of those sections, then click this option. When you choose the class that you're ready to create the seating chart from, give your seating chart a name. Infinite Campus will automatically create a 25 desk grid for you, which should be enough to hold the number of students in your class. If you wish to adjust the number of columns or rows of desks, then you can adjust the numbers here. If you choose a column-row combination that's too small, Infinite Campus will give you a warning. You can always fix this later in the seating chart itself. You can choose how much space exists between the desks in your room, just for visual purposes. And if you wish, Infinite Campus will place the students for you either alphabetically or randomly. If you wish to place the students yourself, choose Do Not Place and then click Create Chart. Inside the seating chart editor, you can rearrange desks or maneuver desks wherever you would like. If your students are able to sit in groups, or you want them to sit in groups, you can rearrange and move the desks to match what your classroom actually looks like in the physical space. If you have too many desks in your image and you want to eliminate one, just click the X in the upper right corner. To add additional desks, click on New Desk and drag a new desk onto the image. Keep in mind your seating chart may not fit completely on your screen. If you need more space, either to the right or below where your seating chart is, you can click Expand Workspace. If you need less space, you can click Contract Workspace. Since I've chosen to place students manually, I can then see the list of students across the top of my screen. I click and drag a student and place them in the desk that I want them in. I can continue to maneuver the students all I want to, and it will open up the desk that they were in. If all the students are placed and you drag one student on top of another, they will swap places. Once I've completed my chart and placed all my students, I can click the Save button. Under Report Options, you will see options to print your seating chart. This is especially helpful for substitutes. In fact, I like to choose the option to show the picture. That way the substitute can see not only the student's name, but also the student's picture to make them easier to identify. This will automatically print as this will output as a PDF, and then you can print that PDF on the printer at school. You can have multiple seating charts per classroom. You can also have multiple layouts per classroom. So for science, you might want to create one for science and one for lab spaces.